My name is Idrus Hussein Ahmed. When I was maybe 10 years or 8 years old, the civil war broke out. My family, they fled out from Mogadishu to Afgoye, somewhere not far, 30 kilometers from here. August 19, I came back here, 2011. Then I got this premises. That time, it was the only house that is repaired for here. All the other was destroyed. The reason I chose back to here, number one, I see there's a piece, at least some improvement of the piece. Not complete, but it's a little something we can work. Number two, to contribute the country rebuilding. We born here, we learn here, we grow here, we are creating an environment for our people. That is the reason. Now the business, they started to come up here. When we open here, now we become a role model for the people. Sometimes the business is risky, but sometimes you have to take the risk to make a role model. The purchasing power of the people is coming back. Especially it contributes by diaspora. They're coming back with their money. Then at least this day, before we have a problem for purchasing power, the people was price conscious, but these days they become quality oriented. So you see here, the business life will change gradually. This area is the for ladies scarf, sorry, for ladies mainly. And now today we are making expansion, another expansion for here for ladies. Because before we are selling men only, but right now we add more in the ladies. Because they are buy a lot compared to the men. So they are big, huge customer, a huge market to target. These days they want it for big TVs. Ladies, they want it baggies. This one for ladies. And they are more expensive than the men's clothes. We are expecting to be the Walmart of Mogadishu. For me, yalla.
Samsung S3, Galaxy S3.
Do you know this one? The Galaxy S3 and Galaxy S2. No one will think that Somali man will buy $600 or $700 a phone to buy it. But now they become normal to buy it. That's why when I'm talking about the purchasing power, it's now coming up. This is the shop manager. It's my similar name, Idrus. He's my son of my brother. When we established here, I want him to be the manager of this shopping center. So we have at least now 4 or 5 people who's working here now. And we wanted to improve, to increase the employment, the people who are getting opportunities. When you open a business, that means you are giving our taxes for the government. You are creating return for the investors. You are giving employment for the people. You are contributing the social welfare. So that's sometimes when you start a business, you are not only feeling that you are only getting money to your pocket. Also, you have to have social responsibility.